The total at the age of 24-25 in 2020 was $46,639.35. I want to tell you how I was able to earn over $40,000 at the age of 24-25 in 2020 from affiliate marketing. This was my first big year in affiliate marketing, and I want to tell you the story because I think it's a really, really cool story. I'm going to tell you everything from which companies I promoted, how I promoted them, and which companies had the best commissions. And you can do this now. In fact, I still do it now. I do it every single day. It's definitely a viable business in 2021. So before we get started, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we have some awesome affiliate marketing content coming out in the next couple of months, and I'm really excited to show it to you. It all started because I decided to make a YouTube channel in 2016. However, I just want to quickly say you don't need YouTube to do affiliate marketing. I didn't try affiliate marketing properly until 2018/2019. I didn't really understand what it was, but now when anyone asks, I kind of just tell them, you get a commission for selling someone else's product or someone else's tool. It's much more simple when it's said like that. It all started when a company called AMZ Scout messaged me after seeing one of my YouTube videos. They asked me if I would promote their tool, and I said no, because I'd never heard of them and I don't promote something that I've never heard of or don't use. So they told me, okay, that's fair. Why don't you try it out, see if you like it, and maybe you'll change your mind about whether or not you want to promote it. And I just want to add, this was back when I had very little subscribers, around 2,500 subscribers, and I actually checked. I think it was like around 2,400. So it goes to show with very few subscribers, you can still get companies messaging you to promote their tools or their software or their products. So it really shows what can happen with that little. So I started using this tool and I actually really liked it. It's an Amazon FBA research tool, and at the time and still now, I do an Amazon FBA business, and I found this tool super useful. So I messaged them back saying, look, I really like your tool. I'm happy to promote it. I think it's really, really good. And that's when my first affiliate partnership started. This led to a really cool partnership with AMZ Scout, and I suggested to them that we should promote their tool with webinars. Josh and I, and Josh being my business partner and brother and the person I do Amazon with, we would host these webinars, and emails would go out to their list and also our list, but mostly their list because they had a much bigger list, and we would, give a tutorial and pitch their tool at the end of the webinar. And it was going really well, like really well. Let's fast forward a year. It's now 2020. I was using a variety of different tools and products and whatever to run my business, and I felt others would find them really beneficial as well. Also in 2020, my YouTube channel grew significantly, and I definitely realized that this was a huge contribution to why I made this amount of money with affiliate marketing. Even though I say you don't need a YouTube channel, this growth on YouTube definitely helped my affiliate marketing business. I suddenly had people that wanted to listen and also was interested in the tools that I was using for my business, and this was something that had never happened before, and it was just amazing. So I started making videos on the tools that I used every single day that I really, really liked. But not just videos. I was pushing Instagram, LinkedIn, Quora, blog posts. I even did Medium. I did webinars. It was just brilliant. Don't just think the only way to make money with affiliate marketing is with YouTube. There are so many other ways, and there are probably even more lucrative ways than with YouTube. So don't be worried if you don't have a YouTube channel or you have no intention to start a YouTube channel, because there are many other ways. In fact, one of our biggest ever partnerships was done through webinars, not a single YouTube video, and I'm going to get to the numbers a bit later, so stay tuned for that. Videos did play a big part for me as well, and that's just because I really enjoyed making videos, and that's the medium I decided I wanted to go down for my affiliate marketing business. One of the easiest and most effective ways to promote any tool is to create videos on it, like tutorial videos, how-tos, tips and tricks, step-by-step videos. Personally, I loved creating videos, and that's why I went down that direction. You'll find these kind of videos all over YouTube, but the one thing that will stand out is a lot of these people are creating these videos just to get paid, just for the affiliate commission. They don't actually care about that tool. In fact, a lot of the time, they don't even know how to use that tool. And unfortunately, with these videos, you can see straight through them, and I don't think they're genuine at all, not one bit. The number one rule in affiliate marketing, in my book, is to only promote a tool that you use on a regular basis, like every single week. And not just a tool that you use, but a tool that you're good at, a tool that you like, a tool that you want others to use. Only promote those tools and don't do it just to get paid, because at the end of the day, your audience will see straight through you and they'll see you're just trying to sell them. And that's not genuine at all. It's not honest, it's not ethical, it's not the right thing to do. So I picked the tools that I use most, like Placeit or Vexels or Canva, right? And I made review videos and tutorial videos for these tools, a bit like this video, this video, this video, and you can see these videos were a lot more genuine because I use these tools and I really enjoy them. And I thought that my audience, you guys, will be able to benefit from them just like I'm benefiting from them. Creating review videos is really, really simple. All you need is a screen recording software like QuickTime or ScreenFlow or OBS Studio or just Windows 10 built-in game bar. There are literally tons of different screen recording softwares out there. Then you'll need to write some bullets you want to talk about just so your video is structured and not all over the place. And again, don't worry, you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. It's just, it helps because people like to see a face behind a video, but it's not a necessity. Then all you have to do is just hit record and start talking. You should be very proficient in the tool that you're promoting, so you shouldn't have any problems creating a video about it. You can create all sorts of videos. For example, I could create videos on Photoshop because I've been using Photoshop for over 10 years. I love Photoshop and I haven't actually made any proper videos about it, but I can think of thousands of tutorials and tips and tricks and just tons of different videos about Photoshop, and all I need to do is put the affiliate link to get Photoshop in the description so that people can go and buy it. What's even better is if you find a video that is doing really well, you can simply go over to Google Ads and start promoting that video and start paying for more traffic, because if you're getting a positive ROI, which is a return on your investment, which is your ads, if you're getting a positive return on your ad cost, then it's very worthwhile to keep those ads going, to get more views on your video and to get more signups through your affiliate link. This could be really good if you're starting with a new channel and you're just trying to get some views out the gate because you have very few subscribers, very few views, and your channel, just isn't really ranked anywhere. Then doing a few ads not only will help you get more affiliate sales, but it could also help you build up your YouTube channel. Now, separate to YouTube, I also enjoy writing. Regardless of what my English teacher says, I think I'm pretty good. So I started writing on LinkedIn, on Medium, on Quora, all these different platforms. It's hard to know if they resulted in anything. In fact, it's hard to know if any of this results in anything. The only thing you can see, the only metric you can see is your dashboard, your affiliate dashboard, to see if you've got any sales, but it doesn't tell you which platform they came in from. But it all helps, and I can see from Quora I got over 200,000 views on my answers, so I can definitely attribute some of the success I've got from affiliate marketing from those 200,000 extra views. And that was just in the last year. Those 200,000 views was just in 2020. And that's really cool, considering I was just answering questions on Quora. I didn't have a huge Quora following, not really an audience or anything. I was just answering questions and over 200,000 people viewed my answer. So I think that is a pretty cool metric. And that's how you can promote affiliate tools through writing. The last thing I did was webinars. Webinars played a huge part in 2020 for me, and I should also say for Josh, who is my business partner with Amazon. A webinar is basically just a live class. You can also do recorded webinars, but I don't like doing that. For me, a webinar is a live class where, a few hundred people sign up, maybe 200, 300 people sign up, nothing crazy. And you talk for about 40 minutes, maybe 50 minutes about how to do something specific, give some actionable advice. And then in the last 20 minutes or so, you promote the tool you're promoting. So if it's an affiliate tool, if it's your own tool, whatever it is, that's kind of how we structure our webinars. So the way we did this with other companies is we would email them and tell them about this idea about doing a joint webinar where they would email out the webinar to their email list, which is generally quite big, right? And we would host it, we would talk, and they liked this because we had a lot of success in webinars. We had proven results. We knew we could do webinars really, really well. And for them, it wasn't costing them anything, okay? They were just sending out a couple of emails and we were doing all the work, creating the webinar, pitching, teaching, all of that kind of stuff. And at the end, we just split either 50-50 or we did 30-70 depending on the company. But remember, the same rule applies to writing or YouTube videos. Only promote what you believe in. That is the number one rule with affiliate marketing. Do not just become one of those faceless people promoting anything under the sun to make quick money. Because just forget the because, just don't become one of those people. So let's break down each individual company, how much I earned from them, and also I'm just going to give you a quick couple of seconds about what that company is. The first tool is AMZ Scout. AMZ Scout is an Amazon FBA tool and you can use it to find products on Amazon. Now, we mostly promoted AMZ Scout through webinars. However, after a while, mid 2020, we stopped using AMZ Scout because we had a bit of issues with the company as a whole and we didn't like the way things were being handled. So we stopped using AMZ Scout and we moved to a new tool. We tested out this new tool and we preferred it. And that leads me on to my second affiliate partner, which is Zon Guru, which is also an Amazon FBA tool and one that I really like. I love the company. I think it's brilliant. I love the way they run. I love how ethical they are. I think it's a much better Amazon FBA tool and that's why we promote them now. The next is Canva. I'm sure you all know what Canva is. You just use it to, well, I just use it to create Instagram posts, posters, sometimes t-shirt designs, just random graphic design work. The next is Placeit. So Placeit, you can do mock-ups, you can do designs, you can do a whole bunch of different things. I mostly use Placeit for mock-ups. I don't really use it so much for designs. The next is Merch Informer, which I haven't used so much, but I've been using it very recently for my Amazon merch business because I think it's really, really cool to see what's working and what's not working with Amazon merch. The last one is Vexels. Vexels has been a new addition to my affiliate company stack, so you could call it. And I've been using Vexels for the last couple of months. I started using them and I just immediately saw how powerful it was. I absolutely loved it. The designs are out of this world. And now I go as far as taking the designs, putting them on my iPad, drawing whole new designs around them. And I just have to say, Vexels, I've really, really been impressed with. I've had meetings on Zoom with the company, and I think it's a very, very good company. It's a really good group of people, and I really like what their mission is and what they're doing. And that's why I decided to promote them. The total at the age of 24, 25 in 2020 was $46,639.35. That is absolutely mad in 1 year. And I should also say my first proper year of affiliate marketing. And this is the year that I realized the true potential that affiliate marketing has, not just through videos, but also through writing and also through webinars. And that's it for 2020. I mean, that seems pretty mad for a 25-year-old with zero higher education to make that amount of money just from one individual business creating videos and writing articles. It seems crazy. Now, I do want to stress, because I don't want this to sound like it was really easy, this obviously wasn't easy. I've been doing YouTube for many years. It takes a lot of work. I've been doing lots of writing. It's just not easy. I mean, we've been practicing for webinars for a long time, so don't think, as whatever, other YouTubers say, don't think that you'll be able to turn around tomorrow and just suddenly start making a fortune from affiliate deals and from other companies. Make sure you know that there's a lot of work involved. You've really got to do the research. You've really got to create good quality content, and you have to be really honest and really ethical with it. I would love to bring you more content on affiliate marketing in 2021. Maybe some proper tutorials on how to create videos, on how to write blog posts, how to structure things. I can think of so many different videos I would love to share with you. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more affiliate marketing content and how-tos, and hopefully this year affiliate marketing could be a huge business for you as well. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.